Hello everyone, I've got some exciting news for all you phone enthusiasts out there. Samsung has something really cool in the pipeline. They're considering launching a more budget-friendly version of the Galaxy Z Fold 6. The goal is to make the latest foldable phone accessible to a broader audience without burning a hole in their pockets, especially since other brands like Xiaomi and Huawei are already offering similar phones at lower prices. The upcoming Galaxy Z Fold 6 is not only going to be more budget-friendly, but also slimmer compared to the older models. However, we're still eagerly awaiting the specific details about its features. Samsung is looking to shake things up in the foldable phone industry, emphasizing that they still have the best technology around. We're anticipating this affordable foldable phone to hit the shelves in the latter half of the year. If all goes as expected, it could revolutionize the market by making these sleek folding phones much more common. So, stay tuned for further updates.